We call them crocodile, but they have words for us. They call us dinner. So, please be quiet, don't move. Don't worry, sweetie, I'm in the also sleeping. Okay, Bunny, let's be quiet so that okay? That's the most. Whoa, look at when you stay here, Minnie Mouse. And now, let's visit my friend, Dr. Shen Isabella there from Hong Kong. Hello! Oh, but I think have someone under the company. Oh, be careful the gorilla, they have a gun. I know the gun. Whoa! Oh, don't worry. Hey, just so yellow, not banana. Just so you can tell your father you are so dangerous. Hey, anyone get hurt? Anyone better yell like me? Wow, you still here, Minnie Mouse. Welcome to beautiful Africa. Do you know what because we keep the most jungle than the elephant? Oh no! Be careful that he goes and hangs up. Oh, there's a thousand pounds on everybody. Hey, Nike! Wow, there's a lot of money! Wow, not another leg. Oh, it's so smart. Oh, it's so smart. Hey, really, please brush your teeth every day. Hello, Leiho. Hello, Scientist Dr. Isabella. How are you today? Oh, maybe you have some trouble now. And you want to save them? And you want to be a superhero? No, I want to be a hero. Alright. I'm sorry, Dr. Chef. Maybe let's go is let's go because you see, many Minnie Mouse, many little village. So maybe let's go. This is the funny faces. Let's have a party with them, okay? Are you ready to sing it now? And then sing. Hello, 你好, konnichiwa, 안녕하세요. I want to join your party. Are you singing now?